Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today let us prepare chocolate milkshake with homemade chocolate sauce. This insanely delicious chocolate milkshake will surely blow you off your feet. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. To prepare the chocolate sauce, I'll take sugar in a microwave bowl. I'll be adding unsweetened cocoa powder to it, followed by a little amount of sea salt, followed by little amount of water. Depending upon the thickness of the chocolate sauce you desire, you can increase or decrease the quantity of water. I'll add a tiny bit of vanilla bean paste and try to mix all these ingredients as much as possible, and then I'll microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes at regular intervals. The sauce is very runny at this point. It has to be simmered on a low flame and chilled in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Then the consistency of the sauce looks as shown here. To top the milkshake, I need little amount of whipped cream. So I'll be whipping some chilled cream with a little amount of icing sugar till I get soft peaks. Fill it up in a piping bag. To prepare the milkshake, I'll scoop 5 to 6 scoops of plain vanilla ice cream in a blender jar. Then add chilled milk over it. Then in goes a little amount of milk chocolate, followed by the prepared chocolate sauce. Then I'll blend it till the chocolate combines with all the ingredients thoroughly. I'll take a chilled glass and swirl a little amount of melted chocolate in it. Pour the prepared milkshake. Top it up with whipped cream. And put up a little amount of chocolate sprinklers over it, and it is good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.